This is my new channel, where you'll get the latest stock market and cryptocurrency news. So show your support by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and sharing your thoughts in the comments. Let's get started without any delay.
All right. Well, it's happened. To any of you that have listened on this channel for the last handful of years, or even the last handful of months, you're about to be very rich. This is exciting. Donald Trump just made a massive announcement. I expected this announcement to actually happen in a couple of days, but he decided to do it the day before a lot of people in our country get paid, which sort of sucks because a lot of people were trying to buy more crypto. But strategic reserve, crypto strategic reserve just announced. A lot of people wondering why XRP, Solana, and ADA, how are exploding in price. It's because this is the official post on X. And if you don't follow me on X, links down below. Please follow me there. There's so much going on. A U.S. crypto reserve will elevate this critical industry after years of corrupt attacks by the Biden administration, which is why my executive order on digital assets directed the Presidential Working Group to move forward on a crypto strategic reserve that includes XRP, Solana, and ADA. I will make sure the U.S. is the crypto capital of the world. We are making America great again. Look at how many of you right now own, type it down below, XRP, Solana, or ADA. Type it down below. You are about to get very rich. Now, I didn't put this out right away because I've been busy. I just doubled the position that I own because in the next, I think, handful of days, money is about to slosh from XRP into this other coin. You watch, it'll happen. And I'm going to announce that in a second. And then also I'm going to do this. A couple things are happening. If you haven't bought the pre-filming discount for the AI course that we're doing right now, you're going to want to do that because it's going to teach you things like how to build a business, but also really neat ways to use AI agents and how to build prompts to go and find the next big thing in crypto. And what I believe is something that I've owned for a long, long time in cryptocurrency is about to explode in the next handful of weeks or month. I'm going to be announcing that on the DeFi Pro course. I'm going to put a link to the sale. We'll open up the sale again because I'm starting once a month group coaching calls to bring you through a lot of things that you don't understand of what I've been doing. I've been really quiet about some specific projects because I am busy buying. I'm not selling. I have not sold. I took profit in two positions, only 20, 30% of one and 2/3 of another, but then just rebought it back at a lower price because I take advantage of dips. Weak-minded people panic because they're not buying on fundamentals. They're buying on weak-minded greed. That's all it is, okay? I'm really excited about what's about to happen for all of you that are my students, all of you that have been listening on the sidelines and been buying XRP right now to give you an idea of what's going on as we speak. Oh, I can't show you that one. That's the next coin pick. All right, and that one has been a monster. I owned some of these coins before they ever went public because I've been investing in crypto for so long. It's what I do. You know, it's why I went to Denver last week, was to buy tech companies, percentages, ownerships in these companies way before the token comes out. Those I can't talk about. But anyway, XRP is up 34% in one day. All right. Is that an all-time high? Guys, let me know. Is it an all-time high in XRP right now? Yes or no? Let's go all real quick. Oh my goodness. Wait. What was the all-time high in XRP? I can't even get to 311. We're still not there, but we'll probably be there in the next couple of days because what's going to happen is this announcement came out and people like myself that have cash on the sidelines, like intelligent investors, and I want to insult the right people right now. Let's be honest. And guys, if you understand and agree with what I'm about to do, I want to insult people and wake them up out of this slumber of greed and speculation. And I want to get you into that spot where you start thinking like an investor and you always keep cash on the sidelines, right? Because of days like this, then you could take advantage of market downturns, right? Well, this is insane. Look, if you've been following my channel, I know I'm speechless. For a long time, I've been talking about why you want to own specific cryptocurrencies, right? I have all these fancy YouTube buddies that call me up all the time and go, "Why are you holding that crap coin?" And I go, "Well, it's because the they're gonna do business around the world with banks, and they're going to do business with governments. And the government, the US government's gonna buy it. I'm talking about XRP, right? This is why I own it, for making money. And people just don't get it. They don't understand the fundamentals. You know, people get like attached to a one coin like Bitcoin and everything else is crap. And I'm like, you know, there's gonna be a day where on a percentage basis, XRP blows past that. But, okay. All right, so let's see. So XRP is up. ADA, like if any of you own ADA, you are killing it today. What is ADA up to right now? 66% in the last 24 hours. Solana is up 21.79. And you know what's great? There are a couple projects, I'm going to say it right now, that are on the sidelines right now that were in a dip, and I was buying up as much as I can. So let me announce what I just bought. And if you want to call me a shell, I guess you can call me a shell. I just doubled my position on XCN, Onyx Coin. And the reason why I did that was because it was actually very simple. Watch this. I want to go to the spot right now. Is because you're going to see a lot of people making a lot of money in XRP and Bitcoin on Solana and stuff. And it's going to start to sort of top out. And then you're going to see that money in the next week or so flow in to specific altcoins, and specifically DeFi. If you don't understand what we're trying to do with the DeFi course and why it's so darn expensive, it's because it's only for people that are serious, not people that have been sitting on the sidelines that buy courses and don't take them, that people that are like, hey, I've got like $5,000 or more, and I want to know exactly what the Ninja and Dylan are doing, how they're deploying their money, and then how they're using those projects, like staking them and getting like 30% a year rate of return, or being able to be part of something and understanding risk management that's bigger than what most people understand. So you're going to start seeing a lot of these. I'd call $100 million market cap a micro cap in crypto. Honestly, that's sort of my personal definition. And I think you're going to see those explode higher on a percentage basis than you see right now with XRP, ADA, and all those ones, right? Now, you saw if you're following me on X, you see some of the positions I take and what I'm buying when I'm buying it. And I made an announcement that I put another significant chunk into my XLM position, right? Well, XLM right now is like what I was doing with XRP at 20 cents. I was accumulating, right? I'm no longer accumulating XRP. I have enough, all right? That's a big enough position. Then I go into another long-term hold, and XLM is doing exactly what I expected on a percentage basis. It's going right up past HBAR. A lot of people ask me about HBAR. Great company, right? Do I own any right now? No, that's a trading position. But on my long-term holds, XLM, I think that you're going to see out of the major market caps, XLM just blow past XRP on a percentage of gain in the next handful of months. I know it's hard for people to wrap their mind around it. Type 1 if this makes sense. If it doesn't, just type 2. I'm just curious if this makes sense, right? So XRP, that's my largest holding, right? Then Bitcoin, then XLM. Right? I don't sell any of those. I'm no longer accumulating Bitcoin, no longer accumulating XRP. I'm holding those, not selling them. I'm going to sell them at much higher prices this year. Then I'm accumulating XLM as my the big three. Then how I'm making money is, I put some of my paycheck in, things like that, or from my companies, I invest in that. But it's because I'm trading these micro caps. Right? I keep a core position in good ones. And this is why I haven't been talking about it, because I'm not going to go out and talk about what I want to buy if I already said I bought this for this reason. And you haven't heard me talk about, well, I'm selling it because the team sucks. They're not, hitting their objectives. Then that means I'm still buying. And so I get hit up on X all the time. Why aren't you talking about this? Well, I'm not going to pump your bags. I'm too busy actually trying to own a percentage of the company. That's the reality. And this is what gets me super pumped and excited. So I'm pretty sure over the next week, keep an eye on XCN. That'll probably be pretty good. I won't be selling it anywhere near this level. I think it's already gotten beat up enough, and it has a massive announcement coming out tomorrow. What is it, Goliath? Something like that. And if you guys want that course, the DeFi course, we're going to teach you how to use decentralized exchanges, buy some really sweet projects that are going under the radar because they don't want you knowing about them, and that's why they're not on Coinbase or not on Binance. And until this regulation comes out, which will happen in probably the next 8 weeks, and then I'm going to show you all the moves that me and Dylan are making in our portfolios, why, what we're doing, what we're staking, what we're not, what nodes we're holding up, all that kind of stuff. And that's going to go on for months until we start to layer out of this market. I think the best is yet to come. Guys, ladies and gentlemen, seriously, type 100 if you are super pumped that this announcement came out by the president. And I am... this has been such a long time in the making for me, this strategic reserve. And this is why I have been, XRP is my largest holdings. And Solana and ADA are great. I own a good clip of Solana too. But I'm really interested more in the DeFi side of Solana. This is going to be one of the greatest years financially of your lives if you've been positioning yourselves. And if you haven't, consider it, because this is only the beginning, all right? When you start to see the official numbers where the treasury converts dollars into XRP, watch what happens. It's going to explode in price. Now, that's not financial advice. This is just life. This is what's happening. The US government is going to start buying XRP. It's been announced. And did you notice that Bitcoin and Ethereum wasn't listed today? Now, I'm not saying that's not going to happen. It's going to happen. But I'm telling you right now, this is a big deal because this is the new financial realm of the world. So you can either sit on the sidelines and whine about it, or you can get involved and be a part of it. And I think that tomorrow when payday hits and people's bank accounts have a little bit more money, I think you are going to see massive, massive gains. So I'm pretty excited. All right, with that being said, the Economic Ninja is out.